Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to VeChain. You can see the price of VeChain was here at 27 cent and the lower level was here 0.04 cent. Yeah, you can see we have here the situation that the Bitcoin price we still or can I say still staying here at these levels. This is our positive trend line to the top side. And you can see we are still not yet breaking this to the top side. That means if we cannot going to these levels here, 42,000 levels, yeah, or 40,000 levels, if this is not happening, if we're not going to these levels in this channel back, then we have a little problem. This little problem is then a big problem because then we will fall to 25,000, yeah. And the next steps is to retest some levels, and if we fail, yeah, then we will fall to 10,000 levels back. So let's look to VeChain. We have here the situation that we are still in the long-term negative channel, and that means we have to break this channel to the top side if we want go to the top side, yeah. But if I look this very close and near term, then you can recognize that we have here the situation that we are out of this positive channel. Yeah, you can see this is the trend line to the top side, and we fall here through this positive trend channel. That means we have a lot of possibilities to fall here. Next target is 0.04 cent. Yeah, if we could stay here at these levels, then I think we will go a little bit to the top side. Let's say here first 6 cent, then going to these levels here 9 cent, falling back to 4 cent, try to test this level, and then the next step is to fall to 0.02 cent. Let's check. Yes. So don't be confused about this here. The real base here at this level is, let me check, is I would say, let's check what is this, 0.01 cent, 0.02 cent. Yeah, the reason is simple. We start here the bull run from 0.01 cent levels to 25 cent levels. Yeah, if you look to the Bitcoin price, you can recognize that we have our base at these levels. So at these levels we have a strong base, yeah, especially if you look here to 3000 levels. We have a very good base, but I think this time we will not come back to these levels. Yeah, I'm not thinking about this. I think if you look to the Bitcoin price 1200, then we have here 4000, 4000. Yeah, we have testing this level 3 times. So this is already passed. I don't think that this will happen. Yeah, but what can happen is that we could test the 20,000 levels, and if coming very worse, then we coming back to 1000 levels, 10,000, 10,000 levels. So, but um, if you look to this here, you can recognize we have our start. The first bull run was mid of the September. then the second was here mid of December. So I think if this 20,000 not hold, then we will fall back to 10,000. What that means for VeChain, you can see our base here is mid of December 0.01 cent, and September this was nearly 1 cent. So then we're looking here very close and recognize that we are still in a negative channel, and even if I zoom here very close, you can recognize that something is happening here, especially if you look to Bitcoin price. You can see we have here a positive trend to the top side, but once we break this to the top downside here, only one time to come back to 35,000 levels, yeah, or for the 36,000 levels, then we have a problem at the Bitcoin price, yeah. You can see we break this at the moment to the downside. Yeah, it's clear to see. Yeah, you can see with your own eyes, we break the channel to the downside. Yeah, and nobody noticed this. You can see clearly at this moment we're falling to the downside, and once we're coming back to 35,000 or 46,000, we will make a retest, and then the price will fall. At the VeChain price, you can see also with your own eyes something is happening here. The price is official break the trend line. That means the next target is moving to these levels. Yeah, you can see the next move is something like that. And if this is happening, you can see that our trend here is broken then to the top side. That means here is danger, and the price will drop to the downside. So if you need information, then please come on the Wealth Exclusive Club. If you want to know what's happening after this 2 cents, then come please in the Wealth Exclusive Club. I could show you how we can reach here from 0.02 cent in direction of, let me check, what we will reach here, $1. Yeah, so if you want to know how we can reach $1, then come please in the club. Have a nice day.